Alrighty guys, it's Chris, Canopies 4x4. We've got a treat for you guys today. We now have platforms available for all the Landcruiser models and a whole bunch of SUVs as well. Hop onto our site, ozcanopies.com.au, to have a look at the entire range. But what we are doing today, we have a brand new 79 series in today in Taliban tan, as I like to call the color. Lovely color, if I do so myself. And we're going to get one of our platforms fitted with the backbone. It goes right onto this gutter mount that's already on the vehicle. Should be a very straightforward install. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed the assembly and fit process of the platform on this 79 series. As you can see, very straightforward. Bolts right onto the OEM gutter mount. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can grab one today at ozcanopies.com.au, or if you want to get it fitted, please give us a call on 0296278666. 78626. As always, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to leave a comment, leave a comment. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, why not? And we'll see you guys on the next one.